guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today I'm just going to be showing you how to draw this beautiful girl, the mask, and she's basically looking at a butterfly. So let's just get on to the video. So guys, we have the measurements here displayed on your screen. So first we should start off with a 11 centimeter line horizontally. And then we should draw two curved lines as shown on your screen. One horizontal line like that. Now we should draw a vertical line at an angle that is 4.5 centimeters. Another vertical line at another angle, as shown on your screen, that's 5.3 centimeters. Now we're just going to draw a rough sketch of the chin. So yeah. Now I'm just going to be drawing a small shape of the face. So now we're just going to draw some spikes or something that's probably basically the hair. So just going to draw a bunch of spikes, not too many. And now we're going to go to the bottom side and draw some hair there. It's just your world. You can draw how many spikes you want at the bottom side. So that's just the hair. We're going to be shading this with charcoal pencils later. Now that's just the chin. So we're just going to draw the proper shape. That's about where we're going to draw the eye, and now just moving on with the chin. That's the basic shape you can get, and then afterwards just erase the lines. You can make it a bit chubby by where the mask is going to be. Now just going to darken it. You can do this at the end too, it's your choice. So just leave it all messy because that's how natural hair is. Now just gonna draw like the mask and some more hair by that side. So we know how a basic mask is, so we're just gonna draw that. Now we're just going to draw the eyebrow. Yeah. Just gonna shade it in. Now we're just going to draw the eye. The eyelid, and that's the eyelash. Take a nice dark pencil when you're shading the eyelash in. Now I'm just gonna do the eyeball. Yeah, so just gonna draw like a circle. You can do the shading later. Like we're gonna make it more depth, and we're just gonna use a cotton mud to just shade it a bit. Later we're just gonna do more. Darken the mask and everything. Now I'm just going to move on to the part where we're going to draw the hand. So she's basically just looking at the butterfly. Just going to draw a vertical line, and we're going to start with the pinky finger, not the thumb, but the pinky. Hands are very easy to draw and they give a nice touch to the picture. So we're just going to follow this pattern. Doing the ring finger, and now we're just going to move on to the middle and we're just going to follow it. So now we're just going to draw the butterflies. Butterflies are nice and easy to draw. Just going to draw that teardrop kind of shape and just going to draw the wings. So it's flying. This is just a basic butterfly. Gonna darken the outline a bit. Just gonna do the shading of the wings later. We're going to darken the outline of the hair or spikes. There's no right way to do the hair, it's your imagination. Just gonna draw more, hair there. Darken the hand. So this is, guys, a charcoal pencil. So it's basically a nice and very dark pencil that is great for, shading and everything. It smudges easily. So yeah, let's just get on to it. I'm using a charcoal pencil for the hair. So charcoal just gives a very nice effect for the hair. We're just going to start off with pressing hard and then we're just going to do the light shading. For artists, charcoal is like magic, to be honest. We're just going to do shading for the mask just like we did for the hair. Now we'll use a cotton bud and this is where the magic begins. Just gonna blend everything together and it'll look amazing. Darken the eyebrow and eyelash if you would like. Now we're just going to do the same thing we did for the hair and everything with the butterfly's wings. You can rely on any pattern, but I'm just going with simple shading and some lines going across. Now we're just going to draw some small circles that'll be like the bracelet. You can use absolutely any design. Use a cotton bud and, shade and blend everything together. So yeah, guys. So guys, this is the basic drawing. I hope you liked it. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I hope you have a wonderful day, and bye.